Guys, so konbawa, this is Japanese language vocabulary series and today is another word of the day. So, and this is Sakura edition. So, kung nang nakaraang video natin ay napag-usapan natin kung ano ang tawag sa Japanese ng full bloom which is mangkai. So, sa videong ito po ay tatalakayin naman natin kung ano nga ba sa Japanese kung naglalaglagan ang mga petals ng sakura like they are dancing in the wind or they are falling like a snow. So, yan po ang pag-uusapan natin sa video ito. So, alam niyo po ba, kaunting trivia lang ito, na ang mga sakura petals po ay naglalaglagan niya lang po yan kapag malakas ang hangin or may malakas na ulan. So, if matimingan po na while you are walking on the street with lots of sakura trees or while you are watching sakura flowers and then the petals starts to fall down or the petals are falling like a snow, so capture it on your cell phone because that's a very wonderful memory to keep. And di naman po sa lahat ng pagkakataon ay matatimingan nyo yung ganyang mga scenario. So, don't forget to capture it on your digital camera or cell phone because that's one of the wonderful experience while you are watching sakura flowers and then the petals are falling like a snow. So, so much for that. So now let's proceed in knowing the Japanese term for that scenario or for that kind of scenario or situation. So, ang Japanese term po niyan ay hanafubuki. So, hanafubuki po ang Japanese term kung maglalaglagan ang mga sakura petals like snow or like they are dancing in the wind. So, that's hana, which is flower, and fubuki, yung mga naglalaglagang mga petals. So, that's hanafubuki. So, tandaan nyo po yan na kapag full bloom ay mangkai, tapos kapag naglalaglaga naman ang sakura petals dahil sa malakas na hangin, that's hanafubuki. So, again, if you are in that kind of scenario, so don't forget to capture that moment with your cell phones or your digital camera. So, that's a very wonderful memory to keep with you. Whenever you want to see or you want to have the throwback, then you can scan it on your cell phone and then you can watch the video in so many times. Whenever you wanted to watch or to experience sakura but you are not capable of going back to Japan for the spring season, so you can watch your previous video or you can have a track down the memory lane. So that's it for today's video and I hope na may natutunan kayo sa video na ito. So thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next video. Bye.